What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. It's kind of late. The sun is going down already, but I've been working on the car here and there, trying to find things to do. I was waiting for this package from Amazon. That way I can get started on the whole AC unit that I took apart and those flaps that I was sanding down all throughout today. This is all I was waiting for. That way I can put the dash back in and put the AC unit in there, which is this big heater thing. But yeah, that's what I've been doing today. Hopefully I can get the dash in today and it'll start looking like a car again. We'll see. I said hopefully because unfortunately Amazon got here pretty late, so can't do anything about that. So now I'm just gonna put everything back together. That's the blower motor. This is the insulation I was waiting for. It goes all around here and it seals everything. That way no air, you know, gets sent somewhere else, or there's a leak of air, cold air, hot air, whichever one. But yeah, I'm just gonna set a time lapse and watch me put the dash in and maybe put some of these pieces together. So enjoy. Alright guys, quick update. Check it out. No more flaking, which is good. She's looking pretty good so far. This is the main piece that I have to put together basically to see. No more flaking. This is the material that I used right here. Everything's working good now. Well, it was before, but you know, with the new material, except for this part. But yeah, look, now I just gotta put some clips in here that like hold this together like that and like that, and I should be able to put these two pieces in. Oh yeah, look, check it out. This is the other piece. This is the foam that I was waiting for. This basically seals everything shut, so it insulates everything. I'll fix that. And then, yep, it's that same material in there. Everything's looking good so far. It's pretty late at night, as you can tell. I really want to put the dash in. The dash is in over there. So hopefully I can get that done. That way I don't have to elongate this into another episode and just make it one. But yeah, I'm gonna finish that up and then I'm gonna put it in and then hopefully we can get the dash in. Let's go. Let's do it. Check it out, guys. This was the AC box before. Look at how the foaming material just tears. Look at how dirty it was. Just look at how brittle the foam is. All that goes into your AC system. All the dust, all the foam. So it was definitely time for a cleaning. So this was basically a before. You already saw how everything turned out. So just a quick clip of that. Alright guys, quick update. Check it out. Let me get a flash in here. It's all good. Lush. See all that. And this. Oh, that's all good too. It's brand new. This car's gonna smell like new when I turn the AC on. So far so good. Now I'm gonna move into the dash. I'm gonna try to put it in here. I'm exhausted, but let's keep pushing. And just like that, it's the next day. It got really late last night. I got done like around like 12. Took a shower and knocked out. Anyways, this is all I got done. See, the dash is in. There's a few things here that I have to put back together, but for the most part, she's back together. The rest is just the easy stuff. Nothing's ever easy when it comes to cars. So I always say that. Like, I always say, oh, this is gonna be easy, but then it turns out 2 hours on one simple thing. But anyways, the hard part's done. There it is. Carpet. Dash. Now I just have to figure out where all these nuts and bolts go, and yeah. I still have to order the top, so I'm not gonna do any of that. And yeah, all I'm basically gonna do today is just finish up putting all the nuts and bolts and just make sure that everything is in place and ready to start. So yeah, stay tuned guys, keep watching. That way you'll get to see this car today in its full glory. Basically the interior is gonna look A1. I know that for sure, and it doesn't have that. It already doesn't have that smell, that moisture smell to it. So I'm already happy. I'm already happy with that. So enjoy the next time lapse. Woo! Check it out guys, she is good, looking better and better. Every bolt I put on, so satisfying because it just keeps getting better. It just keeps getting better. But yeah, check it out, guys. One seat is in. I still gotta figure out where all those bolts go. And no, I'm just kidding. I have there's a few things that I still have to button up, but I'm gonna take her for a little cruise just to make sure everything turns back on and everything, the ECU is connected good, and just make sure that it turns on, basically, because I did disconnect a lot of things, so I want to make sure that everything works. So join me for that little cruise. Here goes. All right, guys, moment of truth. Woo, there's a lot of mosquitoes here. Jesus. I don't know what that means. I don't know if you guys heard that, but hey, I got the radio to work. I'll show you guys in a little bit, but the green light's on. Before, when I got the car, it wasn't working, so does it turn on? Interesting. All right, clutch in. All right, moment of truth. Oh, started right back up. All right, good. Oh, and I got rid of the check engine light. I don't know how, but I think I do know how. There was a couple of relays that I changed, and I think that made the radio work and get rid of the check engine light. Let's take it for a drive. I love driving Miatas, or any driver's car in general. They're so much fun. See lights? Good. Do they turn on? Yep. Everything's good. This little light's working. That's good. Oh, the radio turned off. That's interesting. Something has to be wrong with the radio. I was planning on changing it anyways, but oh well. Let's go. Well, let's let it heat up a little bit. It's still in its cold start. Oh, I think we're good. Let's see. See, does the AC still work? Yep, AC still work. Haha. Oh, it's so much fun. Oh my god. Woo. Get comfortable. Let's turn off traction control. Oh wait, there is no traction control. Because it's a 90s car. Well, some 90s car I think we're beginning to have traction control and ABS and cruise control and things like that. But this one doesn't. So, haha. See? I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it sounds good. mirrors work. The light dimmer works. Turn signal. High beams. Pretty successful day. Got a lot done. The dash is back in. The radio works, AC works. The check engine light came back on, so I'm gonna have to check the fuses, see if one keeps popping off. I still have quite a bit to put back together, but it's like the simpler stuff. It's late. I got a soccer game to get to, so I think I'm gonna call it a night. It got dark pretty quick because I actually took the time to organize the garage a little bit, and yeah, check it out. I need that. I need the top. That way I can put all that back together, and she's gonna be looking A1. I know it. I know it. I can't wait. See, I organized all this, all that. That's the radiator that came with the car. The owner had it. He had intentions of putting it in, but never did. So we'll see if we get to that. I feel accomplished. It's a good day. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. And stay tuned for it's not done yet. Still got a lot. Gotta do the paint, engine, the trunk. Still got quite a bit to do. I gotta do a gas tank in this car because this one is rusted. I think I have a clip of that, so I'll probably put that in future videos. So enjoy, guys.